In the Topkapi, right past security, you'll see the St. Irene's Church, which is about 100 years older. 5th century church, older than the Hagia Sophia. And on the left here, you'll see a building they're reconstructing. Behind that building is where the monastery would be, over to this area. And to the walls, you can actually see, as I mentioned, that street behind there. Between the Hagia Sophia and there was a lot of cheshmes, a lot of wells, a lot of fountains, and here's one right there. So, see, it's actually like a well. And so this is the area in 1927. There was a discovery of a cistern with 52 different pillars underneath. And so possibly, because it said it's on the south eastern part, we have over here on the left the Hagia Sophia. Then you have the row of wooden houses that we walk down. And then over here you have the St. Irene's Church. In this courtyard you'll see pillars and different things that are still remaining there. It's very hard to see because currently this area is blocked off. So the Byzantine Legacy online has some great pictures of that area. As you cross from there, we came up here, we walked through the gate, the Imperial Gate in this location. As soon as before you come to security, or even after security, you can look towards the right, you'll see this little building here. This is part of the old Byzantine walls that were there. Many of the walls, at least the beginnings, were in this area were from the Byzantine times, but the Ottoman walls were added later. And this area is also where they recently discovered some tunnels. St. Irene's also is probably one of the locations where you have the anti-icon mosaic with the true cross up on the ceiling. And this was the location of most likely the first council that took place in 381. And this council determined, even though the scriptures already say this, but they determined in doctrinal form that the deity of the Holy Spirit. So for many years, this place was also a depot and an armory. And here's a picture that you can find online of what it used to look like. If you happen to go into the St. Irene's, you'll see one of the only remaining atriums that are remained from the Byzantine times. And in that courtyard, you'll see some purple graves. These were moved from the Hagia Sophia area.